I'm trying something new. So normally I would create my videos all over on TikTok and then I would repurpose them by using Repurpose.io, and it would send it to YouTube and it would send it over to like my Google Drive. However, I was constantly manually like editing them and adding my videos to TikTok, or I'm sorry, to Instagram and Facebook. But I got tired of that. That's a lot of work. So I always worry about like, what's the metadata on it? You know, they say if you take a video from TikTok and you post it over to IG or Facebook, it doesn't perform as well. So I don't know about CapCut. It's a little bit of a learning curve, but I'm going to try it because I really like how, you know, other people, when they use it, like the captions on the screen appear and they pop. I love that, and I want to brand myself a little bit more. So I'm going to test it out, and you guys can watch this journey. I may say, I'm not doing that, no way. The other way to do the videos, I do have an iPhone, so it's a little more tricky, but you kind of create videos. And what I love about when I make my videos is I do like pauses. So I'll record something and think about it before I record it, but I'll record it and then stop, record, stop, record, stop. And then I, you know, blend it all together and cut it and edit it. So on my iPhone, I really can't do that because I do not have a pause button. So I do these little short videos. So I just did one before this, and it was okay. It wasn't bad, but I'm going to use CapCut because CapCut is almost like TikTok, where you can, you know, push the pause and play button. So I'm going to try it out. So stay tuned because I'm going to probably over the next week do all my videos using CapCut. So save this video so you can come back to it. And guys, drop down in the comments, what do? Do you use CapCut? Do you just film in TikTok? Do you use a different app? Drop that in the comments down below.